Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today we're going to be talking about the fact that you are not manifesting fast enough, why, and most importantly, how we fix it. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. Also, I am in Ho Chi Minh City right now, and it is so beautiful, and I'm just having the best time. So I thought I'd go out into the park and film here for you guys. I also want to thank Keen for sponsoring today's video. Keen connects you with talented tarot readers and astrologers that provide you with a deeper understanding of your personal situation. I always love using tarot cards and Keen because it helps me know whether or not I'm in the right state with my manifestations or whether or not I'm doing the right techniques. These readers have unique specialties designed to help you with your personal situation. Do you want to know if your subconscious mind is reflecting your desired reality? Do you want to know, based on your current state and techniques, whether or not they'll reach out? Keen has a reader at the ready for you, and the thing is, you are in control. You have so many readers at your fingertips that are ready to connect via phone call or messages instantly. Go to trykeen.com/Rita or click on the first link in the description box down below to try your first 5-minute reading for $1. Okay, so the reason why you're not manifesting fast enough is because you're dilly-dallying around in the 3D. You might have set a manifestation routine where you are affirming during the day, like for 10 minutes, or you're affirming for 10 minutes in the morning, and then in the middle of the day, and then in the evening while you're doing sats, which is amazing. It's really good, but it's not going to come instantly if you keep switching back to the 3D and validating the 3D experience. So if you are manifesting financial freedom and you're constantly in the state and you're doing a really good job at it for 10 minutes in the morning, in the middle of the day, and in the evening, whenever you've actually set out your manifestation routine, but then you're going back in the 3D and you may feel like you're staying in the state, but then you go to the shops and you're like, why is everything so expensive? Or you look at your bills and you're like I can't afford this. That's you validating the 3D experience. So how we fix that is by changing our thoughts. This is the biggest game changer. We want to stick to our manifestation routines whenever we are doing it. If you want your manifestation as quickly as possible, I recommend to bookmark your days. The best time to do it is at night while doing sats. You can watch my video about why sats shits on every other technique in the card up above. But if you really want something and you want it instantly, you are going to want to saturate your subconscious mind with that fact throughout the day. So your thoughts are affirmations at the end of the day. So if you are saying, I can't afford that, that is an affirmation. You are validating the experience that you don't want. So what we want to do, this is the key, even if we don't believe it, even if we are seeing that price at the shops and we're like, I can't afford it, we want to switch that to, I can afford that and then some. There's more to go around. I have more than I know what to do with. I have an infinite amount of savings. I can buy out this whole store. Even if that feels so ridiculous to you, even though you're laughing at yourself, even though you're feeling like you're delusional or crazy, we want to feed our mind with the thoughts that of your desired reality. And even if you don't believe, I have a video of it's okay if you don't believe. I'm going to put that in the card up above as well. Even if you don't believe in what you are saying to yourself, you can say this in your mind, by the way, even if you don't believe, it's still going to print out into your reality, because that is the law of assumption. We all know this. What you feed your subconscious mind is going to print out, whether you feel like crap, whether you don't believe in it. you keep telling yourself what you want. If you don't want something to manifest, you are not going to consistently keep thinking it. So keep drawing your mind back to what it is that you want, whether it's financial freedom or your SP or a million subscribers. I'll give you an example. We are currently in Vietnam right now, but if you've seen my community posts, and I would highly recommend for you to keep an eye out on them because I post every day now on the community tab, I talk about us trying to get into Vietnam twice. The first time we couldn't get in because of my partner's passport. We had to wait. I ignored the 3D reality. I kept on thinking everything is happening best case scenario for me, for us. The same thing happened again because somewhere in my mind, I was still thinking, what if? And that's what I would say too. I would consistently say, oh, what if they, say that the passport has to be valid after 6 months. I was joking, of course, but I was making all of these statements that didn't go with my desired reality. And so that's exactly what manifested. Again, we went to the airport for the second time a week later, and they told us that our visa doesn't match his passport, so we have to apply for another visa. Anyways, this time around, I'm like, I'm not playing. Like, I have to remember that I can use the law of assumption for absolutely every single thing. We think that the law of assumption is a game or a joke or a tool to help us with one thing, like getting our SPs. But whether you're conscious or not of what it is that you're manifesting, you are still manifesting because of what you are thinking 24/7. So I decided that I'm going to only think thoughts that will help me get into the country. So literally, I was saying, everything's happening best case scenario. It's going to work out for us. We're going to get into Vietnam. Oh my God, I'm so happy because I'm in Vietnam right now. And literally 60 seconds after the gate was closed, we got approved for Stan's visa. And we got to fly to Vietnam, all because I checked my thoughts. And if you read my post, I was describing that I quantum leaped into the reality where the visa was approved. It really shifted something in me. I was like, what the fuck am I doing? Like torturing myself or trying to use techniques to benefit the 3D reality? Like, oh, it's only gonna work because I think it's possible, or I'm gonna manifest 1 million subscribers, but it's only gonna come in like a couple of months. Like, you have to control your thoughts and know that it's going to come even if it doesn't look like it. So we got onto the plane 60 seconds after the gates closed because I was like, I don't care how the 3D looks, I don't care how impossible it seems, I am going to be in the reality, bitch, where I am flying off to fucking Vietnam. You have to decree it into being, confidently knowing that that is your reality now, and not constantly checking the clock or checking your 3D for validation. You are always and forever going to be the fucking validation. Continue to affirm as much as possible throughout the day. Keep in check your thoughts, no matter how shitty you feel, and it is going to manifest. So with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.